Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of messy transaction categories in Empower? Well, let's fix that. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to maintain clean transaction categories over time on Empower. The first point is to start with consistency. So first, you want to pick a category system that makes sense for you, like food, housing, utilities, subscriptions, these things that you find of use. And then you want to stick with it so that every dollar is clearly tracked. Next point is to recategorize smartly. Now, Empower auto categorizes, but it's not perfect. So when you correct a category, you want to click apply to all similar transactions so that future ones are going to get fixed automatically. The third point is to review regularly. Set a weekly or monthly check-in to quickly scan for miscategorized items, like that Amazon order that's marked as groceries. Next point is to merge or simplify. Now, if you notice too many similar categories, you can merge them, and this simplicity makes budgeting easier to read and to stick to. Clean categories equals clean insights. Spend a few minutes each week and watch your financial picture stay sharp. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.